Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shataria, but I go by Shay, and welcome to Shady Shay. So today's video is a hair review over Curl La La by Unjackie. Oh my god, y'all, why am I just now finding out about this product? Do y'all see my hair? Do y'all see my hair? Hold on, wait. Do y'all see that bounce? Baby, do y'all see that bounce, biggity bounce, biggity bounce? Yes, I love this product. I did have one hiccup while reviewing this product, and it wasn't the product itself. Y'all will see in the tutorial what I'm talking about. But if y'all are wanting to achieve this look, then definitely keep on watching. And if you haven't subscribed, sis, what are you doing? What are you doing? We're like 3 or 4 hair tutorials in. Subscribe. I'll see y'all at the end of the video. Hey y'all, I feel like I ain't talked to y'all in a long time. Okay, let's get right into this review. Y'all know I always wash and deep condition my hair. This is what my hair is looking like, freshly washed. I'm going in with this leave-in conditioner. I really don't use a cream. Y'all tell me, give me some cream leave-in conditioners I should try out. I usually just use this spray conditioner. It does a good job. So here y'all see me just separating my hair. Now, just so y'all know, I do not detangle my hair before I wash it. I know some people do. I don't. So depending on how long I left my previous hairstyle up, in this case I left my previous wash and go up for 13 days. 13 days, y'all. My hair had a little tangles in it, little tangles. So y'all see me just using a Y2 comb, and I'm starting at my ends and working my way to my root. Don't y'all start at y'all roots now. Y'all gonna pull y'all hair out, and we want our hair in 2023, honey. All right, so this is the star of the show today. This is Unjackie's Curl La La Defining Curl Cluster. Y'all, I have never heard of this product. This is my first time hearing about it when y'all suggest it. So it's different. I'm used to clusters being like a gel-like type consistency, like a jelly type consistency. This was more so of a cream. So it was different for me. I really didn't know what to think of this product because although my hair is really thin, it may not look thin on camera, but y'all trust me, this hair is thin as wind, baby. The wind blow, you see nothing but scalp. It's thin. Trust me. So even though it's thin, I do like a little hold to my hair, just a little bit, not a lot, just a little. And now I was a little afraid, but once I put it on and got to rubbing it in my hair, smoothing it out, raking it with my fingers, using this brush, because I couldn't find my Demon brush, y'all. I don't even know what kind of brush I just used, but it worked. Look at them curls. But look at my face, because y'all, I was shook. I didn't know what to do. Baby, yes, okay? I didn't know what to do with myself. Baby, y'all just keep watching. So, yeah, I went ahead and applied the product to the other end of my hair. What, the other end? Baby, the other side of my hair, child. And I got the raking it in just like I did the first side. And I used that little brush, child. I think that's like a detangler brush. But it works just like a Demon brush. So, y'all don't sleep on them kind of brushes. But, baby, look at my face. I couldn't believe the curls. Like, I couldn't believe that they were clumping together like that. Baby, I had to do my happy dance once I saw my hair. So I went ahead and applied the rest of the product all over my entire head. And here I'm just showing y'all like how bouncy my hair is, how elongated my curls are. Like, look at that excitement in my face. Y'all quit playing. Y'all gotta try this product. So I always apply the product to my edges, baby. That's number one. I don't care what product it is that I'm using, them edges is gonna get done. And y'all know I'm gonna part my hair how I wear it and then apply the product. I don't know, that's just something I do. Y'all don't have to do it. Don't beat me up in the comment section, but just do it how y'all do it. But y'all look at that shine. Look how thin that hair is. I told y'all it's thin. I wasn't playing. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so here I went ahead and blow dried my hair. Now this is something that I wish I would have done differently, and I'm going to use this product again and test it out many different ways. I really want to see how my hair will behave if I just air dry and let it do its own thing and get bigger over time, because I noticed by me blow drying it, I did create some frizz. Now Well, let me not say. It could have been by me blow drying it, or it could have just been the product in general. It just probably don't have enough hold and causes frizz on day one. But yeah, I'm gonna do it again, and I may not record it, but I'll update y'all in the comment section on whether or not if it's best to blow dry your hair or just let it air dry. Now, I don't mind frizz. Y'all might, but I don't, because I'm a volume girl, baby. I likes the hair to be big, real big, okay, real big, so big that people can't see over my head. That's me. So, but anywho, other than that, I just wish I would have just air dried. So let's fast forward this, because baby, we know how to blow dry hair. We don't need to see you doing it. I'm looking crazy right here because I'm like, oh my god, I love this product. So y'all know I always use my extreme gel to do my edges, but boy, I did not do the product test. This product plus the Unjackies La La La, baby, it don't mix. So don't y'all try it. It don't mix, honey. I had all kind of build up. I don't know if y'all can really see it, but trust me, it was there. It was white little balls everywhere, and I'm like, oh my god, how can I fix this? Because I want to give y'all a real good review, and I done messed it, baby. I done messed it up. So here I am getting my little towel. I put a little water on it. Well, it got water from when I washed it, and I'm just trying to rub the product out. Like, oh my god, I done messed it up. Okay, wait. So I think this is when I put what? I think that's when I put water on the towel and kind of wipe the product out. So baby, I have to have my edges done. So I was desperate. I didn't want to try any other product, so I just went in with the Unjackies La La Cream La La product, and I just put that on my edges and kind of swooped it. It absolutely did not hold my edges down, but you know, it worked for this. It worked for this. I'm gonna have to figure out what type of edge control, what type of gel, something I can use with this product, because baby, although I don't have no edges, I like them little thin things to be laying down. Sure do. And y'all already know I'm gonna go in with my little shine. Y'all know I don't care what kind of shine I use. That's the bottle that I have, and that's the bottle I'm gonna keep using until I run out of it. And I'm just gonna apply that over my whole head, and then after that I kind of pick my hair. I'm not sure if I showed y'all that. And yeah, y'all are gonna see the finished look. Oh, y'all can still see that little product build up. Y'all act like that's not there. Don't be looking so hard. Just act like it ain't there, honey. Just look at the curls, okay? Look, you see that smile? I was happy with them curls. So Unjackie Curl La La, you all right with me in my book, girl? You all right? I'm gonna test you out some more with some, you know, different gel and different leave-ins, and I'm gonna air dry you and see see if I still like you. But as of today, girl, you the stuff. You the stuff. Look at them curls, they bouncing. Bounce, beady, bounce, bounce. Oh, girl, I was sexy right there. Oh, don't play with me. All right, so since y'all have seen the hair review, what are y'all thoughts? Are y'all loving this product? Look at my curls, baby. Look at the curls. I love it. Now, I will say that if you are a person that don't like frizz on day one, this is not the product for you. But me, I like volume, so the frizz is okay. I'm happy with it. But until next time, guys, I'll see y'all in my next video. Ow.